lecture number 19. Next we continue with the next type of reduction reaction. Now this reaction, it's only given by acetone. Okay, it is only given by acetone when it reacts with magnesium. So what is the condition required? It is in the presence of benzene. So see, what does it form? It forms a complex. These are the two molecules of acetone. So the bond breaks here. Carbon के बीच में there is a single bond. So as to satisfy the valency of carbon, the structure is right. Fine. That is the intermediate. That is a complex formation. Magnesium complex is formed. उसके बाद the hydrolysis in the presence of dilute HCl. See, I have shown HCl कैसे add होता है वहाँ पे two molecules of HCl. The bond breaks there with the formation of pinacol. Pinacol is the common name of the compound, and magnesium chloride is a byproduct which is obtained. Pinacol का IUPAC name क्या होगा? You select the longest continuous carbon chain, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The IUPAC name is 2,3 dash dimethyl butane 2,3-diol. I repeat, it is 2,3-dimethyl butane 2,3-diol. That is pinacol. So that was the reaction of the reduction reaction of acetone with magnesium. Now the next, we proceed with a very important reaction. The same is called as a haloform reaction. The same is called as a iodoform reaction, where you get a yellow precipitate of iodoform which is formed in the reaction. Now, the very first, the reaction is given by the compounds which contain a methyl keto group. What is a methyl keto group? CH3CO. That is called as methyl keto. Okay. See, R के जगह पे you can have H. That is equal to branch. It may be unbranched. Whatever. That reagent should contain CH3CO group. So that reacts with NaOX. What is NaOX? It is sodium hypohalite. Halite. Okay, मैंने लिखा है, मैंने purposely ऐसे लिखा है reaction for you to understand how the reaction takes place. And now, how do you get sodium hypohalite? It is sodium hydroxide when reacts with a halogen. It's converted to sodium hypohalite, sodium halide, and water is formed. Now, that sodium hypohalite reacts with methyl keto group present in that reagent, where it is you get CHX3, that is called as a haloform. If X is equal to I, that is called as iodoform. Yellow precipitate mila matlab it should strike it as a haloform reaction, and it is given by the compounds which contain methyl keto group. So textbook में ना after they explain this reaction, they have given you the reactants and they have asked you कि out of the following which will give the reaction, which will not. So try to solve them. It's very important reaction. The reaction which is again given by the compounds which contains methyl keto group, मैंने purposely यहाँ पे लिखा है देखो. The reaction will be given by acetaldehyde. The reaction is given by acetone. Okay, the third reagent मैंने क्या लिखा है? Propan2ol. Why propan2ol will give the reaction? Because propan2ol का oxidation किया तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? Propanone मिलेगा, acetone मिलेगा, and which contains a methyl keto group. Hence, the reaction is given by propanone. I think it is clear. The reaction is also given by butanone because it directly contains CH3CO group. The reaction is given by pentan2ol. So all these reagents now will give a positive iodoform reaction. Next, the reaction is not given by formaldehyde, not given by methanol, not given by pentan3ol. Abhi, why this reaction is important, I tell you. The same question see you may have as a 1 mark question. MCQs में भी आ सकता है. Methanol, ethanol can be distinguished by. Ethanol जो है उसका अगर oxidation किया तो it gives ethanol. You understood what I said? Ethanol का oxidation किया, it is converted to ethanol. Ethanol contains CH3CO group, so it will give a positive iodoform reaction. So the reaction will be given by ethanol, which is not given by methanol. That is the difference. अभी pentan2ol and pentan3ol, 2ol देगा, 3O नहीं देगा. Same. What is the difference in propan 1-ol and propan 2-ol? Propan 1-ol नहीं देगा, 2-ol देगा. So the reaction is given positive by all the compounds which contains CH3CO group. So that is the importance of the reaction of iodoform. The same is called as a haloform reaction. Okay, then we proceed with the next reactions in the next lecture.